What is up, you guys? Be back for another video. Today I'm going to be playing Stickman Warriors. So let's get into it. So I've been doing a little bit of a level, so you guys don't like comment below that it's too easy and all that. So I just did a few levels. Some classic level 4. Okay guys, so let's go. I didn't beat those two guys. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh. I need to get head kicks, guys. I need to get head punch. Come on. Oh, head kick. Okay, that's good. Head punch. No head punch for me. No. Head punch. 2 head punches in a row. Good. There we go. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy now. I killed that one first, okay? It's a 1v1. Bang! That's how the dragons do it. There's impossible. Man, it's impossible. Hey, big guy. Okay, let's see. Let's see what you got, big guy. I can punch you so many times. Oh, you arm punched me, man. I body punched you, man. There we go. No. Okay, you're not gonna body punch. Okay, you're not gonna head me. Okay. Head punch. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Head punch. Yes. Head kick. No. Okay. Go. I'm not gonna lose to this guy. Oh man. Okay. What? Did the dragons just fail? No. Okay. I'm gonna be so serious about this. I'm gonna play this mode. It's easy. Look at that. I gave him like so many shots and he didn't even got me a shot. Look at that. Bro, he's dead. Man, he didn't even damage my hands. Look at it. His hands already are dead. I mean, like, dude. I knew it. The hack way is to be pressing this button right here. I press the W A-S-Z. That's the one I press. Okay guys, I'm with a lightsaber. Or stick. Let's just say that's a stick. Come on. Stick punch, yeah. Man, why? 3 versus 1? That's not fair. That's so not fair. Go. Head punch. Let's go. Instant kill, man. Come on. No. Coming up. Javi takes the dub. That's what's coming up. No, they damaged my hands. I didn't even damage their hands. No, that's so bad, man. No. You know what? It's time for me. Okay, I see your damage. Oh no. Oh no. Now this guy really wants some epic hits. Body kick, okay, he got me a lot of headshots right there. Oh, yes! Let's go! Dragons rule! Dragons are unstoppable! If they can't get it the first time, They'll get it second time. Okay, big one and two small ones. Okay, let's go. Body stick. Okay, body stick. Head stick, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot of damage on this guy right here. Oh man, oh he hit me, man. I'm gonna head stick him. Oh, that guy's really trying to kill me. Well, I'm killing him first. He's the first guy to get killed. No, no, my stick! No, you're gonna take my stick. You took my stick. No. Give my stick back. Give me my stick back. Come on, come on. Give me my stick back. You have to give me my stick back. You have to give me my stick back. Come on, come on. Come on, give me my stick back. No! No! Are you kidding me? I tried to put this away, man. It's add, but it's not working. Yeah, so we're on level 7. Let's go. Again, I'm gonna pass this one. One time. Come on, come on. Head stick. Okay, you're out. You're out, man. I'm not even damaged yet. No! Nope. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Take it. 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 Let's go. Let's go. No. 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 Oh, wow! Oh, that's insane. That's impossible. Okay, guys, if I don't get it this time, the dragons fit really fair, guys. Okay, guys. And I'm not gonna just cheat. I'm done. Full mode's coming. He had so low health, probably. Oh, he just steal my stick. Man, come on, stop, man. You know we're talking head balance. Come on, man, no, I'm gonna lose, guys. I'm gonna lose. I need a stick, man. I knew it. Guys, that doesn't mean I fail. Guys, first of all, I never played this game. Second of all, it's impossible. One more, guys. One more. Come on. Come on. One more. You better give me one more chance. Come on. I need a chance. No. I hate it. Wait, you know what? I'm cheating. I really need to cheat. Yeah, you know what? I'm unfair. Right, it's unfair. You know what? I'm killing you so hard, man. No, please. I don't want to die again. Please. You know what? I'm gonna stay here. Cheating mode. I'm just not play. What in the world? A commercial? Oh my god. But did you see that? A commercial? Yeah, I'm literally trying to hack right now. Oh, no. Give me my head. They're all scared. Oh man, they're scared of the dragons. He literally killed me like... Alright, this tile's probably gonna be... Can't get it. Don't use any booster. What? Don't use any booster? What do you mean don't use? I'm done. Come on, man. We got this. We got this. We got this. No! Guys, I really need to go to the next level, guys. You're probably like thinking this is so easy. Oh my god. Oh god, I am literally. Oh god. Come on, man. Why am I losing? I'm literally trying my best, guys. I'm not even lying. I'm trying my best. Man, head kick. Head kick. Come on, more head kicks. Come on, head kick. Head kick. Come on, head kick. Bam. Arm kick, okay. Ooh, look at that. Wow, I'm hitting his head really much. No, my stick. Nope. No. Got him. Got him. Hey, big guy. I don't want to hurt you, big guy. No! Come on! I'm done. I'm done. Man, come on. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? I was so close. Come on, come on. I'm literally, if I don't pass this, I'm done. Man, this is like, guys, if you had tried this, man, this is so hard. Man, to be honest, this is not on my phone. My phone's right here. Like, this is just impossible, man. This looks so hard. It looks so easy, guys. You're probably going to be like, so easy. It's harder than you think. You know, if you think it's easy, then you gotta 1v1 me. And comment down below if you wanna 1v1 me. I can friend request you here, and I'm gonna send you an invite, and probably I'm gonna win. But guys, if you're in the shark team, you're not a dragon, man. I'm just saying. You can be in both teams, but you can be in both teams, like 70% dragon, 30% sharks. Come on. Oh no! Did he just steal it? I'm done. Like, after this round, I'm so done. I'm gonna lose again, man. I'm gonna scream. And I'm done. No, man. No, please. No, not again. Not another lose. Come on. There has to be one. There can't be another lose. Aim for the big guys first. Man, I'm done. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.